Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is March the 21st and I'm using my new Magic Scalper trading system. This system uses custom indicators like the Heikin-Ashi candles here on the top along with these arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here suggesting either to buy or sell. Of course, you'll have to go and take a look at the individual charts and see if it's ready to get into the trade. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts looking at a lot of different instruments, both Forex and the futures. And of course, I'm looking at my daily trade plan. After I figured out if I want to be buying or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It's adding up all the different time frames here from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. It does a lot of calculations, and then within the comments here it'll make suggestions. Look for bullish or bearish trades, and some of them are even preferred. In other words, more stronger. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are still struggling. Now if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. So let's take a look at some of these trades. First one I did here was the euro dollar, and the euro dollar and the pound dollar, each of these pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Easy to see by the money here. Then this should be 18. So let's drag this up and go look for those 18 pips. So I took the trade after the pullback started to make the move, and I closed it out here being happy with those 18 pips. There it is, and that paid out $180. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you have all the proper tools. Speaking about tools, I want to show you this FIB Master tool. Another tool I recommend you should get your hands on. All you have to do is click on this tab right here. Just going to go from swing high to swing low, and then after the pullback, getting in obviously in this area would have been better, but not a big deal. I pull the trigger here, and usually once it comes back to entry 1, 2, or 3, it should make it to level or target 2, 3, 4, or 5, and could easily still do that. And it has a grand total of 10 different targets. But my style of trading is I don't really look for targets. I just look at the money, and once I figured out I've got 200 or more pips and ticks, then I just close out the trades and I am done trading. I could let some of these trades run and I would end up with a lot more. Now to succeed at trading, you're going to need a lot of education. Now you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Of course, when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, there's a very good chance you'll still fail at trading. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound dollar. Another one here. And these two pairs, by the way, they're correlated. Doesn't move the same every day, but many days if one goes down, the other one will go down, powered by the USD. And as you can see in the meter, which is another thing that you should have, is a good meter. There it is right there, USD, so you're buying the US dollars. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Obviously getting in back here where the arrow is, but this is where I saw it. When you're looking at 20 instruments or so, you can't manage and get everyone at the perfect time. I'm not looking for perfect entries. I'm just looking to get in and grab some pips and ticks. This one should be 19, and there it is right there. 19 pips paying out $190. I can show you this FibMaster tool again, how great it works. Click on this tab. You're going to go swing high to swing low right here. There's your pullback, getting in either at 1 or 2 entry. And as I mentioned before, we'll usually hit 2, 3, 4, 5. And many days it'll hit all the way to 10. That's why it's a very good tool that you should have. Now, if you want to know or get more information on this FibMaster tool, which comes complete with 30 training videos along with the tool, all you got to do is look right below this video and read up all about it. And if you're interested, at that point, just get in contact with me. Moving along to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Here we go. Another one I wanted to be selling. Let's just drag and drop this up. There's your pullback right there. And then the market just continued to work its way down. I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like with 32 pips, and those pips paid out $236. Moving on to the next trade. Looks like all the rest of them here I bought it. Here's on this pound Swiss. Let's run a check on it. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. There's your pullback. So after the pullback, especially on this candle right here, I knew it was going to go up. Now, I was hoping for it to go all the way up to there, but it's stalling out. And that's okay because I know that I'm well above the 200 pips and ticks for today. Looks like I locked in 22 pips, and that paid out $256. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at first of all. There's your pullback, everything looking great when I pulled the trigger, which should have been back here, but that's okay. I'm still happy with my totals today. So I took the money and divided it by 5 as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 80. So let's go and look for that 80. There it is right there, 80 ticks, and that paid out $400. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the DAX 30. So on this DAX 30, which pays $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by that number, and of course the calculator says it should be approximately 155 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to get some kind of a reading. So I pulled the trigger here. Should have been back here or maybe over here, but it's not a big deal. I knew that it was gonna, after another cycle, it was gonna go up and give me those ticks. What do I say? It's about 155. That's as close as I'm gonna be able to get. But it's 155 ticks, paying out $581. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. There's the pullback, there's the arrow, another arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything top and bottom was saying it's going to go up. Trading's a lot of fun and easy once you have all the proper tools. Remember, education and proper tools is what you need. What did I say? It should be 118. Well, another one that's not going to show it right on, but it's 118 ticks, paying out $590. Moving right along to the last trade, which is the Wrestle. Now this one pays $10 for each tick, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Looking at the money, you divide, well, you don't have to use a calculator. It's $10 for each tick, so it should be 72. So it did another cycle. That's just the way the market moves. But there's way too many things saying it's going to give another push up. And that's all I'm interested in. And as I said, there should be 72, and there it is right there. And that paid out $720. So another great day of trading using my magic scalper. Knew it's going to be well over 200. Pips and ticks grand total today came to 516 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $3,154. So if your system's not producing like my magic scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions, you want to buy anything at all, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Now to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up another window. It'll give you a lot of information along with my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I'm here to answer your questions. And if you live too far, well, you can send me an email. And just to let you know, I really do prefer Skype, so I made a link. And even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you click on the link, even if it's just your cell phone, tablet, laptop, PC, if you click on the link, we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype connection, I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. Recommend you getting all 4. Made a special offer that if you buy any of the 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video and this day of trading. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.